kakain kami ng french fries. At pinakamasarap na sausawan ng french fries ay beef. Ito. Ito.
Isubo na, isubo.
Subo mo na rin.
Ang hirap.
Salty. More. Oh, yun. Taste it.
I'm already sweating already. It's been like 17 steps.
Oh,
20.
Ano yun sa Germany? Anong salita yun? Paano
I
sabihin?
don't know. I haven't learned it.
Ha?
I haven't learned that thing yet. Why do I look like the pink one?
Ano?
Stop.
Meron pang ano?
Let me